other news now, a 14-year-old boy is facing murder charges after the stabbing death of a 15-year-old Irwin High School student in St. James yesterday. As Anthony Lugg now reports, the deceased boy's family has been left devastated by the ordeal.
Stacey Dunkley looks at her son's school uniform Friday morning, thinking he'll never get to wear them again. Her son, 15-year-old Ranil Plummer, was killed outside the gates of the Irwin High School on Thursday afternoon, hours after an altercation with another student.
I don't know how I'm going to live without my son. I don't know how money do without my son in this house.
Reports are that sometime after 3, Plummer was approached by the same student, along with a group of boys who attacked him outside the school gate. During the altercation, a knife was used to stab Ranil in the chest. Miss Dunkley says she's heartbroken.
It's like my heart, I'm breathing and I am still alive but I'm dead. My heart come out of my body. When the doctor told me so they couldn't save him, they did everything they could. But they couldn't save him because the knife went down too deep in his heart.
It's still not clear what led to the incident, but it's understood that Ranil made a complaint to an administrator at the school prior to the attack. The incident come on the heels of a brewing school war in the corporate area, which has forced at least one institution to close its gates for 2 days in an effort to ease the tension.
I don't know if the government can implement some form of program to see that these children after school, some police can really, or soldier can really convoy these routes to see that they catch bus, either from Mento be a catch bus to their places of hope or safety. Because what is happening in our country today is it seems as if the devil let out. Because where do these children get weapons from? We have security at these schools, but these young people are so smart. They will carry their instruments and they will hit it and they will attack. And then they are forming small groups.
Meanwhile, a 14-year-old student said to be behind the incident was taken into police custody. Commanding officer for the St. James Police Division, Superintendent Aaron Samuels, told TVJ News the suspect was handed over to the police by relatives.
He came into my room for his lunch money. And he said, "Mommy, have a wonderful day at work today." And I said, "Have a wonderful day at school," and he left.
A quiet person. A person riding bicycle and he love football. Give typical trouble like another little young man.
While the police continue their investigation, the family of Ranil are clinging on to memories. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
A cause for concern, it's how the Jamaica Association of Principals